Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing great. So, I didn't post any video last week because I was sick. I had some cold and fever and cough, and my voice got horsey. I know it's still like that a bit, but better. So, as I was sick, so I didn't go to work, and I had to take 2 days off because of this sickness, because I didn't want other people to get sick because of me. But I think it's a weather, all because of weather, because here I'm currently living in Canada. So here in Canada now, it's like one day it's 18 degree, the other day is like 1 degree, and it starts to rain, and it's April going on, but there is still snow. So it gets snowy outside, windy, it get hot. It's like a mix of all weathers, and we are getting everything. And that's why the last weekend I went outside and I got sick because it was raining and I was outside, and I had umbrella, but I think in Canada there is no use of umbrella if it's windy in the rain. And that's why I got sick. I had throat pain and cold, cough, fever because of that, and I was worried, like I didn't eat anything wrong, and why did I get sick and all that stuff. And then whoever went out during their weekend, they all were sick, everyone at my work. So I asked whoever was sick, I asked them that, did you go outside? And they were like, yeah, we went outside during weekend, and that's why we are sick. So this is how it went, and this is how it's going. Now it's sunny outside, but I'm sure I didn't go outside, but I'm sure it will be cold, maybe 5-6 degree, I don't know. I didn't check weather yet, but maybe. And this coming week is also going to be like, temperature will be under 10 degree. So in April, under 10 degree, my god, it's like kind of frustrating when you go to work and come to work. It's like when you go it's cold, when you come it's like kind of mix of cold and hot weather, and it's like what's happening around me. So when I was sick, I was unable to breathe properly. Like when you have cold and cough, you feel that, oh my god, what's happening? I can't breathe, I can't sleep. I'm having heavy chest, heavy, like your whole body starts to feel heavy. You feel like, what's happening? You are just laying on your bed, and it's just get overwhelming and frustrated, right? And when I was sick and I took that 2 days off, I was thinking that, like, when we breathe, like now when I'm feeling better, I'm breathing. And at that time when I was sick, I was feeling that, oh my god, it is such a blessing that you can breathe properly. It is such a big blessing. If you get sick, you get cold or cough or something, you can't breathe properly, and this small thing, it can just change the whole game. You can't sleep, you can't eat well. Even if you can eat, you just can't sometimes feel the taste. You must be feeling that, oh my god, is she having a COVID-19 or what? No, I don't have anything like that, but I'm just talking normally that these symptoms, these things happen with so many people out there when they get little bit sick or something like that, right? So I was feeling that, oh my god, it's such a big blessing when we get to like breathe properly, when we don't have any respiratory problems, when some people they just suffer from sinuses and they can't breathe properly, they have to use that the respiratory machines. I don't know what we call them, but yeah, they do have to use those things to like breathe. And we are so blessed that without those machines, without having any issue, we can breathe properly. And it is such a blessing, it is such a thing to be grateful to God that he gave us this healthy body and healthy mind and the chance to breathe properly. But we often neglect these things, right? We feel that okay, we don't feel anything sometimes, we just neglect these things. Okay, this thing is going on natural process or something like that. Even if we are doing like yoga or something like that, we don't really feel that. Sometimes we are in our thoughts, or we are doing our things and just unconscious unconsciously, maybe we are conscious about what we are doing, but we don't pay attention to these things. So I was really thinking about this thing, that it is such a blessing to, if someone is breathing properly, and we don't pay attention to these things because we are getting these things, right? And when you get something free of cost, you don't value that. But when you have to pay for that, when you have to pay for breathing properly, then you get the value of these small little things in life. I know it might sound like a teacher or professor or someone like this giving a lecture or something like this, but this is how I truly felt. And here on this platform, you know very well that we are just here to share our feelings, share our emotions. So this is how I was feeling. I know, and this is not practical that we feel motivated or positive all the time. And this is we have some situations like this that ruin our mood, or our like brain starts to think all those things, bad things especially, that happens to us in our daily life, but that are beyond our control. So we can't change other people, we don't have any control to their mind. We can't change outer situation because we don't have any control on the things that we cannot do on our end, that are in someone else, that are someone else's responsibility, or that someone else should do. We can't change the behavior of our boss, we can't change the behavior of our parents, and we can't change the behavior of our friends toward us, or our siblings towards us, or everyone out there. We cannot change that. But the only thing we can change is that ourself, our mind, and the way we look, the way we the way we give our opinion, or the way we judge things, the way we see the outside world, that we can change, to some extent. I know some people are struggling, but I just want to say this thing to everyone out there, whoever is struggling or whoever is listening to this audio, that you are the best. You are already doing your best, and you have given so much. you have done so much, and you are already doing the great job. I know struggle will continue. I know this hustle puzzle life will continue, but already you have done so much. And take 10 minutes to appreciate yourself for that. It's so important to reflect back to whatever you have achieved instead of just crying over the things you didn't achieve yet. Try to reflect back on the things you have already got, you have already achieved with your hard work. No one else came when you needed, but you still did that. So just reflect back, just sit for 10 minutes, and you will, even if you do this for just 10 minutes, you will start to feel that you have so much to say thank you to God, so much to be grateful, so much that you can, that it's so good, it feels so good when you have healthy mind, you have healthy body, you can do whatever you want, you are sitting in the comfort of your home, you have parents, siblings, friends, you have a roof, you have blanket, you have air, you have water, you have clothes, you have shoes, you have clean environment, and so on. The list goes on and on. When you start to count your blessings, you will feel, when you start to write, you will feel that, oh my God, I have started to write, but my thoughts are never ending, my list is never ending. This copy or this notebook is gonna finish up, but I will be unable to write everything that I achieved so far. And this is true. We all have achieved all these things. We all have achieved. This is not that we haven't achieved anything in our life yet. No, we have. And if we start to reflecting back, we will start to know that where we were and where we are now. So just wanted to share my emotions on this little sickness days, whatever I felt, and how grateful I am to get my normal breathing back. So thank you so much everyone, whoever is listening to this video. I hope you all have the great week ahead, and I will see you in my, not see you, I will upload my, I don't know what to say. I will upload my next audio next week. Thank you so much for listening. Good luck and stay safe.